Okay, happy New Year sa inyong lahat. So, for NBA basketball update, so nanalo po yung um, San Antonio Spurs kalaban yung ating kababayan Jordan Clarkson. So, let's watch kung ano nangyari dito, no? Kasi pareha silang standings in their division. Kakalakas din ng San Antonio dan nandyan si Wembanyama. So, reaction ko lang dito guys, no? Sa mga nakarang laban, bakit si Jordan Clarkson hindi nila ay starting 5? Kung ibasyan mo yung mga statistic nila na mas mataas pang puntos ni Jordan Clarkson kaysa mga starting 5 ng New York Knicks. Makikita nyo na parang marang discrimination talaga dito sa ating kababayan. Bakit hindi siya pinapalaro ng starting 5? Maganda naman kanilang pinalaro. Tingnan natin ngayon ang game ng New York Knicks at San Antonio. So let's watch this. Okay. Play na natin.
That one a bit short. He's got to give up a quick one. Castle, season opening, out to Barnes. Barnes, oh my goodness! Harrison Barnes. Here comes New York.
So dito guys, so lamang dito yung New York Knicks, no? So home court advantage ng San Antonio, kaya advantage talaga sila, pero grabe yung laban, 1 point lang ang lamang. So let's continue.
Brunson attacking off glass. Him and Champagnie combining for 23 of the Spurs' 48 points in the first half. Just under the 8-minute mark and stolen. Here's Castle on the break. Has Wemby running. Oh my! What was that? What was that? Turnover number 6 of the first half for the Spurs.
So dito tayo sa second quarter. So lamang yung New York Knicks, almost 14, 66-52. Pero dyan yung masasabi mo talaga mga guys na bilog ang bola. So tingnan natin na habulin niya ng San Antonio Spurs, di ba?
Bridges, Clarkson for 3. Remember, coming into this game, 17 of 75 in their last 2 games.
I kind of like Victor getting another 3 ball there because he's knocked down 2 in a row.
And he just swatted Brunson, one of the league's best scorers.
Okay, second half na tayo. So malaki pa rin ang lamang ng San Antonio dito. So nakadagdag sa kanila mga lodi, kasi ito si Aaron Fox, no, galing ito sa Sacramento Kings. Dagdag din sa kanilang mga scorer, no, para manalo sa laro. Third quarter, 8 minutes and 38 seconds.
New York back up by 14. Champagnie for 3. That's 4 threes for Jules.
Get the rest of that flight in.
Okay. Wala natin. Okay, so dito guys, wala tayo. So ang dalawang team na ito, so they are hitting into the top spot in the Eastern and Western Division. So pangalawa ito ang New York Knicks na pangalawa na sa
15 of 75 in their last 2
division.
games.
Okay, so at ang San Antonio Spurs na hindi natin alam ang kapalaran na yung San Antonio nung nakarang season sila ay kulelat, pero ngayon parang lumalaban na, parang nahasa ng abilidad ni Victor Wembanyama. Advantage talaga siya dito dahil kasi napakafast niya.
Like Victor gets another three ball there
So
because he's
imagine,
knocked down two in a
so imagine 7'4" ang kanyang height. At tatalon pa. Height matters talaga. So, dito guys, second quarter ito. So, okay, dito lang muna tayo guys. So, there's something technical error in the video. So, thank you for watching. I hope that you like this. Pasensya na sa technical error kasi yun na yung net. Okay, thank you.